Before we start our grand Euphoria event, let's remember our founder, Mr. Mayank Mandot sir. I would like to take you through the journey of an ordinary but self-inspired boy who built Mayank Tutorials and spread it across Mumbai. Mayank sir grew up in Nadol, a small town in Rajasthan. He received a good education in an English medium school. His perseverance was admirable since childhood. He wasn't particularly great at studies till 4th grade, but became a rank holder in every class after the 5th grade. There was a chess competition and he hadn't really played much chess before. He practiced a lot and decided to play against one of his teachers who was hard to beat, and he actually beat him. He loved challenges. It was appealing to see such a transformation. You will see this sudden growth in his life throughout his journey, consistently. This sudden change was nothing but love for challenges and need to conquer it with perseverance. If and when he decided, he would put his whole heart and energy towards it and make it happen. He was a phenomenal table tennis and an aspiring badminton player as well. Mayank sir moved to Mumbai in 2008 for his junior college in the science stream. He worked hard and got admission into ICT Matunga for his bachelor's, one of the premier institutes in Mumbai. Being competitive, he wanted to beat his brother's entrance scores, which of course he did. Again, what determination. The most important phase of his life started during his bachelor's. He wanted to do something big in his life after the first year. He started working at Mayank Tutorial as a teacher just to make some money, to buy a new phone, a laptop, and eventually a bike. While he was studying in his 3rd year, he decided to open Mayank Tutorials on 7th January 2013. Imagine the response from friends and family. It's too early. It's too risky. What do you know about business? And so on. Undeterred, he said, I have my own corpus of money, which I will invest and will see. His self-belief, passion, desire to make something of himself was motivating him. Of course, he had no experience in business, in sales, in marketing, in accounts, in recruiting, and more. But he was ready to build the plane while jumping from the cliff. He was extremely observant of people around him. He was constantly learning from everyone and grasping everything like a sponge. He used his charm to sell, to build relationship. He took help from everyone around him and instilled that vision in the minds of 80 people to take this journey ahead with him. Building a business is the hardest thing. Mayank sir would wake up at 4 a.m. for pamphlet distribution, put hoardings at midnight, go in societies for marketing, and more. He used to sleep in the classroom to save commute time. One such funny incident, when he hired Chirag Mistry sir, after probably a few weeks, he asked him to stay in Chembur for a morning lecture. Mistry sir thought that they were going to stay in some close by hotel. When the night came, Mistry sir asked, where are we going to sleep? Mayank sir replied, let's lift some benches, and opened the closet to show him a set of blankets. They put a movie on the laptop and went to sleep. A few months later, he found Firwani ma'am's place and would stay at her place near the class for morning lectures. And Firwani ma'am turned out to be a mother figure for him later in his life. We would think that he struggled a lot. Yes, he did. But he never made it feel like a struggle. He made struggles part of his life and made friends along the way. What is better than building a friends with business, right? Lastly, the most important skill in his life, which very few people have, is risk-taking capacity. Growth requires risk. As you can see, spreading Mayank Tutorials to 7 locations wasn't easy and could not have happened without taking the right risk. To bring your vision to reality, you have to take risks. While we work at Mayank Tutorials, we continue to hear so much about his charm, smile, straightforwardness, and his global vision. He is loved and remembered more than ever by his family, friends, parents and students, colleagues, his neighbors, people he did business with, and many more. Let's take inspiration from him to take charge and responsibility of your own life, accept challenges, perseverance, determination, risk-taking capacity, build relationships, and do all this with a lovely smile on your face. Welcome to Euphoria.